Your 80 words per minute unseen dictation will start in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start. Poverty in India remains one of the most critical socio-economic challenges affecting millions of individuals and hindering the nation's full developmental potential. Despite significant economic growth and technological advancements over the past few decades, a substantial portion of the population continues to live below the poverty line. The primary causes of this pervasive issue include historical underdevelopment, unequal distribution of wealth, lack of access of quality education, and limited employment opportunities in rural areas. Addressing poverty requires a comprehensive understanding of these underlying factors and the implementation of targeted interventions. By analyzing both the causes and consequences, policymakers can better formulate strategies, uplift vulnerable communities across the nation. Historically, the roots of poverty in India can be traced back to the colonial era, which restructured the agrarian economy and drained immense local wealth. Following independence, the nation adopted various socialistic leaning economics policies aimed at poverty alleviation, yet the growth remained slow for several decades. The economic liberalization of the early 1990s served as a major turning point, accelerating gross domestic product growth and lifting millions out of poverty. However, this rapid growth also created significant regional imbalances and income inequality, with urban areas advancing much faster than their rural counterparts. Consequently, the disparity between the rich and the poor widened, creating new economic hurdles for the marginalized. Rural poverty continues the majority of the overall poverty burden in India, largely due to the heavy reliance on rain fed agriculture and traditional farming methods. Small and marginal farmers often face severe financial distress due to unpredictable monsoon patterns, rising input costs, and limited access to modern credit facilities. When crop failure occur, these families fall deeply into intergenerational debt traps, making it nearly impossible to break free from the cycle of destitution. Additionally, the lack of non-agricultural employment opportunities in rural regions lead to massive seasonal migration toward overcrowded urban centers in search of daily wage labor, thereby putting immense pressure on already strained city infrastructure. To combat these deeply entrenched rural issues, the Indian government has initiated numerous large scale welfare programs. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act serves as a cornerstone of these efforts, offering at least 100 days of wage employment to rural households. This scheme provides a crucial safety net during the lean agricultural season, enhancing the purchasing power of low income families. Furthermore, the National Rural Livelihood Mission aims to reduce poverty by enabling the poor to access gainful self employment and skilled waged employment opportunities. Through the creation of self help groups, particularly for women, these initiatives promote financial inclusion and empower individuals to build sustainable livelihoods. Beyond rural development, urban poverty presents a unique set of challenges characterized by inadequate housing, lack of sanitation, and the proliferation of informal settlements. Migrants moving to cities frequently find themselves residing in crowded slums without access to clean drinking water or basic healthcare facilities. The informal economy absorbs the majority of these workers, offering low wages, no job security, and an absence of social security benefits. To address this, programs such as the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana aim to provide affordable housing options to economically weaker sections. Additionally, the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana focuses on equipping urban poor youth with marketable skills to enhance their employability. Education and skill development are fundamental levers for lifting populations out of poverty on a long term sustainable basis. While initiatives like Right to Education Act have successfully increased primary school enrollment rates, the quality of education remains highly variable, particularly in remote areas. Without foundational literacy and numeracy skills, children struggle to compete in an increasingly knowledge based economy. To bridge this gap, the government has launched skill development missions to train millions of young adults in trades relevant to modern industries. Ensuring that these educational and vocational programs are accessible to everyone regardless of their socio-economic background is essential for fostering an inclusive society. Another vital component of poverty alleviation is the improvement of healthcare infrastructure, as out of pocket medical expenses often push families into poverty. Illness can severely diminish household savings and reduce the earning capacity of the primary breadwinner. The implementation of the Ayushman Bharat scheme has provided millions of poor families with healthcare insurance coverage, reducing the financial burden of secondary and tertiary care. However, further investment in primary health centers and preventive care is necessary to ensure that health crises do not derail economic progress. Access to clean nutrition and safe sanitation is also critical in preventing chronic health issues that affect productivity and well being. Technological advancements and digital inclusions are playing an increasingly significant role in modern poverty alleviation efforts across the country. The Jan Dhan Yojana has enabled millions of unbanked citizens to open formal bank accounts. Full stop.